Let's talk about chemical bonding. Now, one thing we need to say is just the definition. Chemical bonding is the mutual electrical attraction between the nuclei and valence electrons of different atoms that bind the atoms together. That's the formal definition. What we need to know about chemical bonding, realize that everything forms a chemical bond, everything bonds because they're trying to achieve stability. Okay, they're trying to become stable, they're trying to have the lowest potential energy possible. They are trying to get 8 valence electrons. We've talked about the octet rule a lot. Okay, they're trying to make those bonds so that they can have stability. Now, they do this in a couple different ways. They either gain, lose, or share valence electrons. The key thing here is the only thing we have to do with chemical bonding is valence electrons. Okay, they're either gained, lost, or shared. Okay, they're gained and lost when we talk about a ionic bond. We call that the transferring of electrons. You can see that over here. It transfers it. So this atom will give that electron over here, and it becomes transferred, and you'll see you'll have a positive part and a negative part over here. That's ionic bonding. Now, in covalent bonding, we see that you're going to have the sharing of electrons. Okay, and we'll basically these will be bonded together, and these electrons will go back and forth between these two atoms, and so that's the way they get 8. Remember too, the basics of covalent bonding, the basics of ionic bonding is that covalent bonding is between two nonmetals. It's a nonmetal bond, and then we have ionic bonding, which is between a nonmetal and a metal. Okay, remember that we have to know where they are on the periodic table. So the left of the stair step we have metals, on the right of the stair step we have nonmetals. The only other chemical bond that we have up here that we haven't talked about, but it's not on the screen, is metallic bonding. Remember that metallic bonding is between a metal and a metal, and we have those sea of electrons, those delocalized electrons that are just flowing around, and gives them the properties of being ductile, malleable. Make sure that we know those definitions as well.